Hi, this is Amber with the Moore Public Library. Thank you for joining the Pioneer Library System today. Today I'm going to show you some easy activities you can make for your younger kiddos using items you might have around the house. I have an Easter egg basket that we have repurposed as an everyday toy, as well as an old hat box or just some small box that I have put scarves in and cut a hole in the top so they can pull them out. So these are toys that my daughter has been playing with since she was probably about 6 months old. She is now a little over 20 months old and she still loves playing with these. These are things that we play with every day. And I do want to add that if you can't find an Easter egg basket or this chicken or something like that, you can also use a small trash can that has a rotating lid. Those work great as well. This is an Easter egg basket that we've purchased from Walmart. You want to open your eggs? So one of my very favorite things about these activities is kids can really make it whatever they want, and they can use the autonomy to play with them how they feel they want to play with them. So thank you so much. I really hope that your kiddos enjoy these activities too, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.